Okay, so check this out. Portfolio masters are up over 1500% to some of their project, to most of them, and over 2500% to some of their project picks, what they have find out for us for the last few months time. Again, portfolio masters, who they are, okay? Let me give you explanation, okay? They are the best team, the best service for us to find low market cap gems. So what they're doing is there are 4 people who joined together, who've been burned too many times before, and they're doing a lot of research, okay? And what they're doing is, after they do a lot of research, after they spend days and days researching for one token only, they will list to us, okay, I think this one has potential to go up. So they're finding low market cap between 10, 15, 20 million market cap tokens, no new tokens, no meme tokens, only old and established good project with huge upside potential, okay? I think the rewards versus the investments is huge here, and also the upside potential is extremely huge to most of their tokens, probably to the 90% of their tokens. Again, so after they find the project, they're going to give us to us, and they will tell us when they buying, how much they buying, when they selling, and how much they selling, because that's the best thing. These guys taking profits most of the time, because I'm not taking a lot of profits, you know, because we are all waiting for the Bitcoin to hit 100k, and then it's going to tank before that, and we all losing profits. But these guys always locking profits, so you can go and follow them and do whatever you want to do. Now, this is for the portfolio masters. Let me give you just some stories how much profit they have. If you go to their free Telegram group, okay, it's a free group and paid group. Go to the free and you can see what they have, okay? Also, they're posting some tokens there. They also, check this out, check this out. They posted something from Crypto Banter, post 3 tokens right here. This was on February 21st, so almost 2 weeks ago. 3 tokens, and this guy find the same project 3 months ago. Okay, so Crypto Banter is delayed for 3 months. These guys find before him. They already did 10-15x this project. Okay, if you go down, you will see that some of their latest posts on February 25th, it depends when you watch this video, maybe it will be like 1-2 weeks ago, they find like Octa already 6x, okay, Cubic already 2x, okay, from Crypto Banter already 15x on some of their tokens, AND are already 3x, and they're finding all the time crypto gems. Okay, if you go, this is how it's looking, their paid membership. So they have over 45-50 tokens, and all of them are almost in green. Of course, not all will be successful, but from 45, if 35 are successful, only if 10 of them do 20, 30, 50, 100x, just imagine the upside potential. Okay, now, so how to join? They have 2 groups. They have free group and paid group. Free group, go and join the Telegram group, and paid group, it's VIP group, also on Telegram, Discord, and they have their website. Okay, so here you will see they're finding small, medium cap project, real time portfolio moves, okay, in-depth research, project with real-world utility, diverse narrative, that's very important, and strong fundamentals. That's what is their base. That's what they're looking for, and they're spending hours, okay? I don't have time to go over like 100 projects. I never have that time. Do you have that time? No. So these guys doing that for you. So what they're doing, they're charging some money, of course, get some of their plan. This is how much they cost. They always have some, they just had some big discount just a few days ago, okay? So, but I think, you know, if you have some extra cash, purchase their VIP. Make sure you use my link if you want in the description, what will be highly recommended. It will be beneficial from a channel and also from a donation when I'm doing around the world. Okay, if you go to their website, you will see also like about the tokens, all the information about the tokens. What do you think? They give you all the details in depth for every single project. Okay, they already have over 641 members in the free and 160 VIP members. I think every person, each of us, need to have these guys. Why? Because they finding the low market cap. Okay, if you go to the Bitcoin price today, wherever I'm doing this video, is 62,000. It doesn't matter. Okay, maybe it will be 50,000, maybe 100,000. All the money first go to the large market cap. Okay, after that, from the large market cap, they're all going to shift to the low market cap. What's mean? They're all going to come right here. Just imagine. Okay, Bitcoins. Let's go to, let's say, I don't know, Chainlink. Okay, this market cap 11 billions. Okay, these guys, what the project, what they find are between 10, 15, 20 millions. Just imagine in one of them hit 1 billion. That's 100x token, just like that. Okay, so that's about it. Just a short video. Make sure you join the free group right away. The link is in the description. If you want to join the VIP, I highly suggest just join at least for 3 months, 6 months time and see the upside potential. And also don't forget that nothing here is financial advice. Do your research, okay? Make sure you understand it's a crypto, it's extremely risky. Some of the tokens going to blow up and some of them going to go to zero, and that's called crypto only risk capital. Again, this is not financial advice. That's about it. Love you all. All the links will be in the description, and if you need a Norton VPN, make sure you use the link down in the description. All right, that's all. Goodbye from me.